Welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia, and today we are going to dive into your internet history. Just kidding. Or am I? I am. But it's true that a lot of us live a good chunk of our lives online. And just like real life, there are potential dangers lurking about if we aren't careful. There may be scammers, thieves, bullies, MLMs, viruses, trolls, false advertisement. The list goes on and on. I mean, with a bit of common sense and a few helpful programs, you can avoid most of these issues. However, today's potion is called cybersecurity, and it caters to the emotional impact of online life. This potion helps ward off nasty comments, helps you create boundaries against people invading your online personal space, and protects you from making embarrassing digital blunders. This is a protect yourself against yourself type of potion. Brew this concoction as a reminder that your online life deserves to be cleansed and protected just as much as any other part of your life. So without further ado, let's craft our cybersecurity. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need spicy red chili, rum, mango puree, and pineapple juice. Alright, so this is a simple recipe. First, cut one chili into thin rings. Grab a cocktail shaker and add your chili. Add 4 tablespoons of rum, and 2 tablespoons of mango puree. Add some ice and shake vigorously for 30 seconds. Add 6 ounces of pineapple juice, and shake for another 30 seconds. Fill a glass, or in my case, a mason jar, with ice. Pour in your potion. Garnish with more chili slices. Or even throw in a whole chili. And ta-da! Cybersecurity is complete! The ritual for this recipe asks you to shine some sunlight onto your digital devices to cleanse them. So yeah, let them absorb some vitamin D. Taste test time! Okay, so I'm just gonna take this off before trying it. Alright, cheers! Okay, so first off, I was surprised that this drink is not very sweet. It might just be because of the brand of mango and pineapple juice that I bought, but for me this is not sweet at all. You do get a well-balanced amount of pineapple and mango flavor in here, and you do also taste the rum as well. These 3 flavors actually work really well together, which isn't a surprise because it's tropical fruit and rum. So is it spicy? At the very beginning, you don't get any spice at all, and in fact it was actually quite bland. But then the chili slowly creeps up on you, and then you get a little tingling sensation at the back of your throat. And then the slow burn begins. I like spicy things, so this doesn't bother me at all. But I would imagine anyone who wants to make this and drink it, it's generally to cool down. because this is such like a summer drink, but then your insides are slowly burning. So I don't know, I feel kind of conflicted about it. If you can't handle spicy things, then this is definitely not the cocktail for you, but you can always try it without the chili. Personally, I would add a little bit more of simple syrup to make it more palatable. I actually wonder how spicy this chili pepper is. I mean, I like spicy, but I'll also cry eating it, so. A little nibble won't hurt, right? That was not spicy at all. Okay, it's definitely the seeds that are spicy. I can't tell if drinking this is even helping because there's peppers inside. I mean, I've definitely had way worse, but it's still not a good feeling. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that your life was pleasant both online and offline. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. Until then, class is dismissed. Stay magical!